First off, cancel the emergency stop. Start the auxiliary circuits, which will put power to your screen. To fill the tanks, water tank, soda tank, water inlet. Then you let your tanks fill up to your required height of water. Once done, water inlet off, soda tank off. Then you want to go water tank, washing solution, reset, and heating. For caustic, you'd run that with heat. Once it's up to your required heat, which is at the top, set at 65, and then stop it once it's at it. Switch everything back off. And you want a water inlet, discharge, that will drain anything in the lines with caustic. Water tank, send to filler. Then you'd come around here while you're circulating your caustic. And once you're ready to send, you want to open these two at the same time so you don't back up any flow. And then press start washing delivery pump, which will send through the two pipes to your filler.
Hey all, this is our filling systems filler. Put the bottles on here. The conveyor's not working because the filler's not operating. Bottles go through. We have our 5 membrane pod filter for filtering your beer before the filler. Vacuum pump over there. And as you see, the conveyor, bottles come along, conveyor through the filler, and the bottles come along, they get lifted up by the neck, turned upside down with a rinse, through the star wheels, which we've got 330mm, 300mm, 275mm, 500mm, 640mm star wheels. They come into the filler, they get pre-evacuated single or double. They come out the filler through the 3-head capper for twist tops or crown seal caps. Then they come down through the conveyor and then into the tunnel pasteuriser. So this is also the capper hopper, which the caps go up there, around and down and feed into the crowner. So that's pretty much it.
Alright, so to turn the pasteuriser on, power switch on. To fill your tanks, preparation, confirm. This will start filling your reservoirs. Once your tanks are full, you want to go production, confirm, start. You got your 3 zones at the front, this one as well. Once they're full, you can go click it into production and start the pasteuriser. Click start. And this will get the water running. This here is an automatic timer. So if you're wanting to start your pasteuriser up in the morning to work with your boiler, this will automatically kick itself in, ready for bottling. Yeah. So leaving your pasteuriser in a standby mode will automatically start that back up in the morning. Yeah, I think that's about it. To turn your drying tunnel on, click on, which will start the airflow to dry your bottles off. On and off. Turn your conveyors on, power into your box, turning all of your switches on, which starts conveyors. Yeah. So to start labeling, you turn your wraparound on, then turn your ear on. So wraparound, then ear, and then ready to go. So just turn the links jet on, switch at the back, start the screen. You want to click start, which will starting jet. This will take 30 seconds. Yeah.
We've got all the Comac manuals for the tunnel pasteuriser. We've got the filling systems filler manuals. We also have the Arrow Kappa manual. For the labeler, we've got the Ritma labels and a couple of those. And then 3 manuals for the filling systems filler as well. So, and one of our folders just with the specs on the labeler and everything else. So all the manuals you need are there. So that as well.